event this year.
Thinking as I come these from these days. Ay, tell me if I'm looking better. Just the other night I was playing with this Beretta. I've just been so fed up. Ay, ay. My mama said I'm acting kinda different. It's probably all the shop been missing. I don't tell nobody cause I don't do any. Cause that's when all these catch you slipping. Ay, hope I find the truth while I'm alive. Before I die, before I say goodbye, before they tell me all this shit's a lie. This really ain't my life. Taking out this notebook every day, writing down my feelings cause it makes me feel okay. Promised you I'd take you from that life you living now, but then we hit the ground.
Dude, that sounds real too.
For some time, Fresno has been a destination for street racing and sideshows. Participants come from as far away as the Bay Area and Southern California.
We're going to change that. We're going to flip that to where Fresno is the absolutely worst place that you want to come and do sideshows and street racing.